multifunction gas and gasless. MIG 225. MMA function. MIG function, 0.8, 1.0 wire select, with Synergic function. Lift TIG function. Suit for 5 kilos and 15 kilos wire. Solid wire, MIG torch connect positive pole. Earth cable connect negative pole. Spot welding. Instant ARC, right spot. Fillet welding. Stable ARC, perfect seam. Flux wire. MIG torch connect negative pole. Earth cable connect positive pole. Spot welding. Instant ARC starting, deep penetration. Wind resistant, sleek weld seam. MMA mode. Stable ARC, non-sticking, smooth bead.